Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about economics first lesson, understanding development, perspectives, measurement, and sustainability. Introduction. The word development is used widely. It refers to the progress of a particular field or a particular person. Similarly, the economic progress of a country is known as economic development. First topic, different perspectives about development. Every human being has an ambition or desire of his or her own to achieve progress in life. We have many ideas about development, improvement, growing process in needed direction, way of moving forward, not doing same mistake twice, part of day life, advance, growth within, never ending process, bettering yourself, freedom to grow, progress. Next topic, indicators of economic development. Three major indicators to measure the level of economic development. Number 1, net national product NNP. Number 2, per capita income PCI. Number 3, purchasing power parity. Number 4, human development index HDI. What is net national product? The net national product is considered as a true measure of national output. It is also known as national income. A rise in per capita income means an increase in aggregate real output. Hence, this is a better indicator than national income for measuring development. Next, what is per capita income? The average income is calculated by dividing the country's total income by its total population. The average income is also called per capita income. Calculations on the per capita income of all countries are calculated only in the US dollar in order to compare international level. Next, what is purchasing power parity? Purchasing power parity is defined as the number of units of a country's currency required to buy the same amount of goods and services in the domestic market as $1 would buy in the US. Next, what is HDI? The term human resources refers to the collective abilities of people which can be utilized in the production sector. Human resource development means the development of a person's physical and mental abilities through education, healthcare, and training. Therefore, investment in education and health of people can result in a high rate of returns in the future for a country. For example, if a child is invested with good education and health, he or she may turn to be very productive in future in the form of higher earnings and greater contribution to the society. Next topic, sustainability of development. Sustainable economic development is taken to mean development without damaging the environment and not compromising with the needs of future generation. Sustainability of development is comparatively a new area of knowledge in which scientists, economists, philosophers, and other social scientists are working together. Natural resources can be divided into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are replenishable resources or pollution-free and environment-friendly. These resources take a short time for renewal. Example, solar energy, wind energy, water, wood, paper. Next, non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are non-replenishable resources, pollute and damage the environment. Millions of years are needed for the formation of these resources. Example, metals, glass, fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas, diesel. Next topic, policies for sustainable development. Use of non-conventional sources of energy. India depends on thermal and hydropower plants to meet its power needs. Both these sources have an adverse environmental impact. Thermal power plants emit large quantities of carbon dioxide which pollute the environment. So, in our country, many of them used solar power. What is solar power? Solar power is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity either directly using photovoltaic cells or indirectly using concentrated solar power. Solar panels absorb the sunlight as a source of energy to generate electricity. A solar electric system can reliably produce electricity for our home and offices. These distributed solar systems are often installed by home and business owners to reduce their electricity costs. Solar power in India is a fast developing industry. Next topic, environmental policies in India. Environmental policies in India have been evolved considerably over the past 3 decades. These policies have covered a wide range of issues such as air, water pollution, waste management, and biodiversity conservation. The Supreme Court of India has interpreted and introduced new changes in environmental protection through a series of directions and judgments. Article 51A of the Constitution states that it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Now we can see what are the environmental acts in India. National Green Tribunal Act 2010, Biological Diversity Act 2002, the Environment Act 1986, Forest Act 1980, Water Act 1974, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Thank you, students.